Welcome to our 12 steps for improving wellness. Our first goal is prioritizing sleep. The Sandman does more than just bring dreams. He refreshes your mind and body, preparing you for another day of challenges. It's essential to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Secondly, take a step forward with walking more. A simple stroll can do wonders for your cardiovascular health, and it can also boost your mood. Thirdly, immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of books. Reading for at least 30 minutes a day can improve brain connectivity and increase empathy. Next on the list is meditation. By focusing your mind and slowing your breathing, meditation can reduce stress and increase mental clarity. Fifthly, spend time in nature. The great outdoors can lift your spirits, improve your concentration, and even boost your immune system. Moving on to the sixth routine, incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet. These nutrient-dense foods can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve digestion. Our seventh tip is to hydrate, and hydrate. Drinking more water can improve your skin, aid digestion, and even boost your energy levels. Next, consider reducing your alcohol intake. While a glass of wine may seem relaxing, too much alcohol can have detrimental effects on your health. The ninth routine is quitting smoking. It's never too late to quit, and the benefits start almost immediately. Our 10th tip is to spend time with loved ones. Social connections can improve your mental well-being and even increase longevity. 11th, take a break from electronics. Unplugging can reduce stress and improve sleep. Finally, take on a new hobby. Learning something new can boost your self-esteem and even reduce the risk of dementia. In a nutshell, these 12 routines, prioritizing sleep, walking more, reading, meditating, spending time in nature, eating more plant-based foods, drinking more water, reducing alcohol intake, quitting smoking, spending time with loved ones, taking breaks from electronics, and learning a new hobby can significantly enhance your health. Remember, a healthier you isn't built in a day. It's the result of small, consistent changes that add up over time. Embrace these habits and watch as they slowly but surely lead you to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it.